All right, Sunday morning, we're gonna go and install the pumpkin arch that I redid yesterday. Man, oh, I'm so happy. These bad boys are so on there. I think last year when we drove, I was afraid they were like gonna be flying off because they were just barely tacked on. So now that I redid this, I feel so much better, and I think it'll be good for next year. I don't have to retail counter that came out of our store, velvet casket. And then we got the skeleton dudes that holds our plushes. And then we got our big pumpkin stack, our cushion for our feet, a dolly. And what else am I taking? We already got the 3 vertical boards out there that the arch will be supported by. We dropped those already in a couple tables on Friday night. And I'll probably take some of these orange lights, maybe string up a few orange lights. Be fun. So, all right, well, we're gonna get it going. We get all this loaded up, and we're gonna get our haunt on out at pumpkin nights. So, should be fun. All right, people. So we're out here getting the arch up. Just got my 20-foot span of pumpkins and had a fatality. I had it leaned up against this, and with the wind blowing out, I had it like leaned like that. The wind popped it and smashed one of my pumpkins. Damn it. And that's one of my old ones because it's foam, and it was kind of brittle, which is why it smashed. But anyway, so I'll have to fix one, but no biggie. It is Sunday, and this thing doesn't start till Thursday. So, but Julie already got the backdrop up, which looks awesome. We got a pumpkin one this year. So cool. And we're using our counter that was in the velvet casket, which is awesome. And then return of our cool skelly.
Can you help me with these and I'll work on them?
Yo, help me with these now. All right, it is getting hot. We got the sun way up above us, so it's definitely heated up. So I think we're gonna be done for today. Well, let me show you the progress. So Gratian, our neighbor here, Gratian, Ellis Apothecary, has another one of these pumpkin stacks. So he'll be putting that over there. I've got to repair that pumpkin in the corner there. This guy's a new addition. And so Julie got all this really cool stuff up today. She got her backdrop up. We got our skellies in. We literally just got our grid walls up. We just put some lights up top. These 2 grid walls. Yeah, it's looking good. I think we're almost ready for some product. So I can't wait to see this lit up at night and put all the finishing touches on it. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, there you go. That'll be the end of this update. You guys know what to do. Get your haunt on.